Ukata kufanya kuna
I will be speaking with this prayer plan to speak on the I'm very great. Ladies and gentlemen, this is reality. It gives me so much hope to see senior leaders. Nga Ajuman Samusoyo, Etu Yonayana Baruga Kaseka. Tuko Yagalo Kula Kamiga, Namonamona Mapega Seko. Ogana Rama Muruki. Owana Garuzo. Kami Sika. Thank you very much. We respect you. We have looked at you for a very long time. Challenge Kuruma, Gatatuni now. But again, to all of you that have just joined us, we want to tell you that the National Unity Platform is not business as usual. The National Unity Platform is not another opposition political party. For us, we are not a political party. I want to make it clear. We are not a political party, but we have a political party. The National Unity Platform is a very small part of us. We are people power. We are the people of Uganda united to change our destiny, to put an end to the dictatorship of General Museveni. Many of us, we are not in traditional politics. We did not come into politics because we love it. We came into politics because we are tired and we cannot leave this world to anybody. We have to do it ourselves. It should not surprise you to see teachers, musicians, barbers, in all walks of life. It was not like this some years ago. So we unite here, we meet here today, not to do the ordinary, the usual politics. This is a revolution. This is a mission to freedom. That is why in people power, in the National Unity Platform, the most important people are not the politicians. The most important people are not us, the leaders. The most important people are the common people. The people of Uganda. For the first time we decided to offer servant leaders to be servants. And to have the two days of our privilege to our privilege. The young way to privilege is to have a fee. Just talk about your salary now is your language. The whole time they will have on our song. But now as we meet here, as the political wing, as the leaders wing, as the leaders, the organizers, it is important that we understand that matters so much respect is given to us, and so many titles, Your Excellency, Honorable, Your Lordship, and all that. That is nothing without the people, but with the people that is everything. No matter today, as the mayor, you cannot do so much. As the councillor, you cannot do so much. As the member of parliament, you cannot do so much. Why? Because our country is still under the firm grip of a dictator called Museveni. This is not the government that they have. Because the government takes a duty, the way they are corrupt. Government running duty, the mission and main preoccupation of the Museveni regime is to stand in a power. That is why it does not matter whether the roads are working. It does not matter whether there are no schools. It does not matter whether the hospitals are sick themselves. But Museveni will be 100 million to give every member of parliament one it does not matter giving the whole world to one person. But I get me about I want to tell you, my brothers and sisters, that today, if the top leaders of the National Unity Platform, including myself, tell Museveni his main preoccupation is staying in power and looting the people of Ghana. So it is that reason that all of us must first and foremost understand why we eat. You must understand why we fight. You must understand why we risk. You must understand why we go to prison and come out and go up again. You must understand why we are dying and we are prepared to continue dying until we change this. This is very important for our leaders to know. This generation. But again, it is a very big risk for us to play around with this generation. Because they know. So now that we are here, and now that we understand what must we do here, I remember telling my friends that when we wait to the 2021 election, 22 was enough for me. And I didn't want that. Yo group of the Babuba. The Matrix, the final choices either to be level or to get over the opposition and keep fighting. We are supposed to be government, but the rest is the opposition. And to come okay. This that they are pushing us to, we decided that we are not the opposition, we are the option. But when the office is no what do we do? Let us organize again and keep putting one foot in front of the other to give him also because Banana is soon. First of all, we find it no better to be. Then we find to be. We are not where the people elected us to be, but we are not where we used to be. Every day we keep breaking this vision. Every day. But we must not relax because dictators, they were there like 9 years. Even if a dictator looks like he's going to fall down the next day, if you don't push enough, he can last another year and another year and another year. But not today. But the people who because you know China or Cuba will say the chapter. The people who China or Cuba will say by now, Parliament is discussing our policy. The event Parliament is supposed to be to the invest of the law, but to the factor. That is supposed to be the elect. Parliament power the but unfortunately, the chapter. That is why today, there was a new parliament, simply the member of the Lega. Simply the member of the Lega. I knew the family of Shuri as well as I knew the family of Shuri as well as Zaban as well for God is our name. That's where we are. That means we must go past this level. How do we go past this level? We are not intending to go from up downwards. We are intending to go from down upwards. Therefore, we need to have these revolutionary leaders right from LC1. Et là, nous savons que nous avons fait des valeurs qui sont humanité. Pour le moment, c'est bien. Maintenant, et quand ils aiment, don't leave this to other people. Au lieu de voir pour la demande, pour la demande, nous n'avons
So now that we are here, go ahead and organize. Of course, last time we had very few leaders. Last time we were talking about who is there. And I saw a tweet by one of the soldiers from Soka who said last time we were taking who is available, but now so many people are available. So many people are available, but we must choose the most committed and most reliable.
So we must We are not here because the Senate wants us to be here. One of the things you have to stop it. Outside when you promise the parliament, we are impossible. The safest thing to them is to let us be. A single power in the one place. One of the we are here, we are having a protest meeting here. So, we are not we are protest against the theft, against the impunity, against the against morality in our country. How do we seek an evidence to make our house? What are they saying? Moving step by step. So now we know and now we are some people thought it's a joke when we talk about protest work. You know, we have passed but guess what? We are going to win. We are going to win the point. Because people united cannot be defeated. They have done their worst. 2021 by the SMC. We are only going to win if we stay united and if we galvanize our people. Abantu baffe bamanye dinana asigale waka ne bona asigale waka bajja kusangayo bakugireyo bajja okutakukisa sasi bajja kukisa obwamu. Everybody should rise up. Sukali wa kanana gwe balima wane bisoka. The leadership is that we do not have as many leaders in the East as we have now. But who want to have them? Kancho yetukola mu East, netukola mu West, netukola mu North, netukola mu Central. Teach our people. So let's organize. The regime is panicking, my friends. But the program they broke out their best. But the people are not giving up. There's no amount of money they can give the ghetto youth. There's no amount. So that's not what you do. What was about standing up, they have to do a standing up. But now that I'm talking to you, the leaders, I want to charge you
will trust you, people will follow you. I want you to look at me as an example. I did not come to you as the most educated or the most talented. I was only relying on the truth, and the truth is free. It is not for sale. I want to go on your national, I think we have our national. Finally, you know in all those small situations, and I'm talking to the people in the East, but I hope people from all over the country get this message. New one is Nigeria will work, and I know my new constituency today. Ewali among by any level city. Never need one year now against the opposition, Obama. We must not be fooled. We must keep moving and moving diligently and honestly. I'll give you a small history, friends. People power started as a group of friends. Now we can get as a group of friends. And then you know that when you are a child, tell the guy you are a child. Then you have a discussion. Then what you say, action. So people things the name of our campaign, the name of our message most important. Again, the name of our they are my friend. But it is not your friendship or your closeness with the president or the secretariat that will give you a car. We are going to win. We are going to win. So the movement will organize our players will be able to ground because at the end of the day, we are going to also come to Buddha.